Good morning, students of grade 4th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. Today's date is 8th of September 2020. Today we are going to start explanation of point, lines, line segments and ray. That means in today's class we learn what is the meaning of point, lines, line segments and ray. Okay, so students, let's start. First we have point. What is the mean of point? What is the mean of point? So, point tell us exact location or position of any object. Point tell us exact, that means fixed location or position of an object. Like for example, we have bullseyes. This is a game. Name is bull's eyes. In bull's eyes, we target the main point, small point. Okay, with a stick. Okay, this is a bull eyes. So we target this point. Okay, so point tells us a fixed or exact location or position of any object, anything. Okay, so this one is our point. Next we have line. If we draw a line, this one is a line, and in this line we have 2 points. Okay, like we have A point and B point, but these are not end point. End point means in line we can extend means बढ़ाना like this. Okay, from both side. In a line we can extend both point. We have 2 point here. Okay, we are drawing a line, but this line can be extend means बढ़ाना. We can extend from both points. दोनों points से हम इसको बढ़ा सकते हैं. Okay, we can extend a line. Okay, again we are taking an example. We have 2 points X and Y, and we have to draw a line. So a line can be extend out of the point. We can extend out of the point. Extend means बढ़ा सकते हैं. 2 points को आगे हम बढ़ा सकते हैं. That is a line. Next we have line segment. Okay, what is the meaning of line segment? Line segment means if we have 2 points A and B, so we can draw only line with 2 points or to match 2 points. We can't extend of points. Points को हम बढ़ा नहीं सकते. Like we can't extend like this. We can't do in line segment. In line segment we can't extend our line. Okay, line has 2 end points. Line segment has 2 end point A and B. We can't extend other than 2 points. 2 points से हम आगे नहीं बढ़ा सकते. For example of line segment, we have a triangle. triangle. Okay, and I am giving it a name A, B, C. In triangle we have 3 points. Okay. Now can we extend this line segment? Can we draw triangle like this? Can we draw? No, because this is line segment. These are line segment. We can't extend. Okay, we can't extend. These are A and B is A line segment, B and C line segment, C and A also line segment. The conclusion is that we can't extend line segment. For example, we have a rectangle. We have a rectangle and I am giving it a name A, B, C and D. Can you see the rectangle like this? Like this? No, because we have in triangle and points. We have in a rectangle, we have 2 and points. That means D and C we can't extend more. Like this we can't extend more. Okay, so this one is line segment. For example, we have a pen. We have a pen. Okay, this length is 5 centimeter. The length of pen is a 5 centimeter. Can we extend our pen? हम पेन को बढ़ा सकते हैं. इसकी जो लाइन है, लेंथ है, कैन वी एक्सटेंड? नो, वी कांट एक्सटेंड. सो पेन इज ऑल्सो, लेंथ ऑफ ए पेन ऑल्सो example of line segment. Example of line segment. And in line we have example like railway track. In a railway track, lines extend more and more. Like this, we in line we have a railway track. So we don't have एंड पॉइंट ऑफ रेलवे ट्रैक. रेलवे ट्रैक का कोई भी एंड पॉइंट नहीं होता. ठीक है. सो रेलवे ट्रैक इज ए एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लाइन. एंड लाइन सेगमेंट के एग्जाम्पल बहुत से हैं. लाइक वी हैव रेक्टेंगल, ट्राइंगल, स्क्वायर, लेंथ ऑफ पेन, लेंथ ऑफ पेंसिल्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ कम ऑन रे. नाउ कम ऑन रे. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ रे? Ray also have 2 points. Okay, but in a ray only one point will be end point and next point will be extendable. That means only one point we can extend. That means हम बढ़ा सकते हैं. In ray we can extend only one point. Okay, not both side, only one point we can extend. Like example, we have a sun. Okay, we have sun. Okay, so in sun we can see example of rays. How in ray, sun ray we have one end point and next point is extendable. That means we can extend more and more. Can you please tell me where the end of the sun rays? आप बता सकते हैं कहाँ पे एंड होती है सनरेज की? नहीं, बिकॉज वी कांट टेल ए फिक्स लेंथ ऑफ रे. आपने कभी ऐसे देखा है सूरज ऐसे की साइड, फ्रॉम दिस साइड कैन बी एक्सटेंड ऑफ सनरेज? नो. सूरज की रेस ऐसे होती है कभी? ये इधर से निकल रही है, इधर से? नो, दैट इज ओनली एक्सटेंडेबल फ्रॉम वन साइड. Okay, not both side. This is a most important example of ray. Okay students, So this was our video of line, point, line segment and rays. In line and line segment we have a difference that in line we can extend both sides, in line segment we can't extend, and in ray we can extend only one side. Okay students, this was our video about point, lines, line segments and rays. Okay students, bye bye.